There's no substitute for looking somebody in the eye and seeing their whole body language and seeing how they react to things, seeing when they look away. When you're doing things online with Zoom or Teams or anything else, it's great. It saves a lot of time with travel and things like that, but it's not the same when you want to make a decision or you want to persuade somebody, because there's so many other things you use. It just shows you where print is going as far as reaching out, going to where the people are.
It's actually a pretty unique show. It doesn't specialize in one particular area in print. It specializes in print holistically. So whether you're a young person looking to enter into the industry, whether you're currently working within a brand, whether you're looking at diversifying your business as a print business owner, there's something there for everybody because it's concentrating on print as a mechanism. So be it flexogravure, litho, digital, whatever the print technology, screen printing, you name it. So many different areas of interest that I'd be surprised if anybody goes and doesn't find something to really explore and understand and learn from.
The footfall is getting bigger and bigger again every year, especially at this show. I think the print show is just going to grow. I really, really do. And I think next year there'll be more bigger players here. This is the way forward. England needs to start investing in getting back on its feet again, especially in the print industry. It's starting to show, so people need to be here.